somewhat of an overpass coming up. You're going underneath it. Got our friend Sprinter up front, sprinting. Lovie. Pretty cool. This is the Baldwin Bike Trail, like a state park. A squirrel! Squirrel! Not scared of much. We just passed mile marker number 5. Like a good little downhill. And we're doing a whopping 8 mile an hour cruising down the Baldwin Bike Trail. A lot of this could be swampy. Coming up to a bridge of some sort. $9.5 an hour. Here's the bridge. See what we got coming up here. Sure enough, a little park play area, rest stop. I gotta say creek. Have a little rest area, stop, and restrooms along the way. We got facilities. Along the Baldwin bike path. I'm at the mile marker number 6. So again, we're on the Baldwin Bike Trail here in North Florida. Here on a Memorial Day weekend. And we are staying boondocking on a friend's property on the big ranch. The big bike trail is, or should I say, runs along their property. We decided we'd get out and check it out while we're here in the area. So far it's pretty nice. We're up on mile marker number 8. Mile marker number 8 on the Baldwin Rail Trail. This used to be a railroad. I don't know what year it started or when it stopped. It used to be a railroad going in between Baldwin and Jacksonville, Florida. Passenger rail and general rail, I guess. See some zoom. Bump in the road. Zoom down the trail. There we go. And here we go. The Jacksonville Baldwin Rail Trail. Trailside Park. We can go this way. The Jacksonville Baldwin Rail Trail. We're at the Jacksonville Baldwin Rail Trail. Here's one of the roadside or trailside gazebos and parks. Let's get back on the trail. Here's mile marker number 9. Mile marker 9. I made it all the way past 9, probably 9.5 where we turned around. Headed back to camp. We went. Beautiful weather. Want to keep the bikes moving. We got a nice breeze. Partly cloudy or partly shady along the trail. Makes it nice. Keep the bike moving. We got a breeze. It's a nice relaxing weekend. Haven't seen much in the lines of wildlife other than the squirrel. Heard a lot of birds. Lovie sporting her trike out here on this Memorial weekend. And a big clump of these growing on the vine. With some big furry balls. Thought it was pretty interesting. And the flowers are pretty interesting. And the carpenter bees like it. Anyway, pretty. I don't know what they are, but here's one of the parking areas. Water fountain, dog leashes, bike rack, lock your bikes up, pavilion, got some porta potties down that way. Lily's down there. Place down there to wash your bikes. Interesting.
Well, you know you're welcome to come over to my trailer if you need to use it.
Here's some nice restrooms and water fountains here along the trail. Little park rest area.
Here's that trail that way.
This is an old trail around this private property, or one of them.
If you go that way, that goes to the corner of the property where the power lines are. Or we can go ahead and go this way. She wants to go this way.
Well, I don't care. I'm just saying I'm getting tired.
Alright.
My heart's doing a couple of little pushes.
Found something. Found the Dan's hideaway. Across that pond. And we got us another pond. This property's got ponds everywhere.